Welcome to Simple Teaching.
Today let us learn how to teach our kids smaller and bigger number. See, many of the parents are facing a lot of problem for teaching a smaller and bigger number to their children. So today I am going to tell you how to teach your children smaller and bigger number in a simple way. So first of all, let them know what is the bigger and what is the smaller. So just give them the examples only with the pictures. Initially, don't give them the numbers to identify which is the bigger and smaller. Just give them only the pictures. With the pictures, let them identify what is the bigger number and what is the smaller number. See, I have taken these pictures to let them understand easily what is the bigger number and what is the smaller number. Here, coming to the bigger number, I have given the pictures in a vertical form. Don't give them in a horizontal form. Teach them in a vertical form rather than teaching them in a horizontal form. So we give them, see, like this, in a horizontal way. We teach them in a horizontal way. But in the starting stage, just give them the pictures in a vertical form so that they can understand easily that this is a bigger one and this is the smaller one. So teach them that the bigger side, the mouth will be wider. See here, the symbol mouth will be wider on the bigger side, and on the smaller side the mouth will be closed. To make them understand, I have given the worksheets in a vertical form. Here, coming to the smaller number, see, on the smaller side the symbol mouth is closed, and here its mouth is open wider because there are big number of stars here. So explain your kids in this way to make them understand easily what is the bigger and the smaller number, and also how to use the symbols. Okay, next let's go to the next page. And here we have taken some exercises. Give your children some exercises in a vertical form so that they can understand the concept easily. And also one more thing is, just give them the examples only with the single pictures on the opposite side. See, here I have taken only one number on the opposite side, only one picture, so that it will be easy for the children to understand that this is smaller number and the opposite are bigger numbers. So make sure to give the examples only with the single pictures on the opposite side. And here there are more mangoes. Here only one mango. So this is the bigger number. So teach the children in this way. Here see, the symbol is wider. It opens here. It opens from here to here. So teach the kids in this way until they understand what is the bigger and smaller number. It will be like a game to them if you teach them with different examples, like this is an alligator. Many of the videos will have like this is an alligator and the alligator is opening the mouth to the bigger number, not to the smaller number. The alligator always opens the mouth to its bigger number. So give your children these exercises and let them do. Next, coming to the next page. And here also I have taken in the same form, but here the difference is, here on the opposite side I have taken only a single number or a single picture. Coming to here, I have taken different numbers on the opposite side. And now here this is a smaller number and this is a bigger number. See, this is wider. Just explain the kids that, see, this is wide, this is big, and this is small. Just teach them in that way that this is, see, this is a big, this is small, and again coming to here, this is small and this is big. Means the symbol has to open its mouth here because this is a bigger number. Just explain the kids in that way. And next, coming to the next page. Greater than, less than, and equal to. In this exercise, we are going to teach our children what is a greater than, less than, and equal to. They already know what is the greater than symbol and what is the less than symbol. And here we are also introducing them the equal to symbol. Now see, here we have taken the examples in a horizontal form because they were already acquainted with the vertical form, and now it will be easy for them to understand what is the bigger number and what is the smaller number. Now we can skip to the horizontal form. Here we have taken some examples, and here we are also introducing the equal to. See, here there are 4 moons and here also 4 moons. So tell them to make it equal. And here also 5 balls, here 5 balls. So now here we are introducing the equal to symbol. Coming to the next page. Now we are introducing them the less than, greater than, and equal to in a number form. Till now we have given them the exercises in a picture form. But now we are giving them in a number form. Here also, in the initial stage, while you are introducing them the number form, just compare the numbers only with 1, so that it will be easy for them to identify what is the bigger number and smaller number. I have given all the greater than and here all the less than, comparing with 1 less than 2, 1 less than 3, 1 less than 4. And next here equal to. And go to some different numbers. Also here we are giving only the greater than, less than, and equal to up to 6. Means we are giving the examples in between 1 to 6. Okay, let's go to the next page. And here it is also the same, but here we are giving the examples in between 1 to 10. Previously we have given 1 to 6 and now we are giving 1 to 10. And by this time they will know what is the bigger number, what is the smaller number, and what is equal number. That is all for today. Hope my video will help you. Thank you for watching my video, and for more videos please subscribe to my channel.